What you're looking at is your brand new home. The trip we sent you guys on was just a decoy, so we could have time to build this brand new house for you. You want to see the inside? Come check it out.
Whoa!
We noticed that you guys might need some new furniture, so we completely furnished your new home. Now, on top of electricity, you have a water tank for running water. We put bunk beds in this room for 2 of the kids.
Oh my.
And if you go across the hallway, you'll see your bedroom
Nice.
with a little crib, because I heard you had a newborn.
Tyra, that's your crib.